Welcome to Ford Fair 2021 and the classic Ford stand. Now we're going to pick out our favourite cars on the stand today, and we're going to start with these film star cars. So this is a Consul Capri from Scar Tissue, a horror movie. The famous Capri from the TV series Minder. Granada from the film The World's End with Simon Pegg. And at the end, you might just be able to see it, is the Consul GT from the Sweeney. So we've got a nice mix of TV and film cars. My personal favourite has to be the Capri from the opening credits of Minder, Terry McCann's Capri, recently restored after an engine bay fire and looking absolutely superb. Another contender is this Ford Cortina GT Mk3. Now we've just bought a Mk3 of our own, but we've got some work to make it look as good as this one. It's got the tombstone seats, lovely paintwork, obviously a little bit lowered on the wide steels, and it's just beautiful. So another brilliant contender is this Mk1 Escort with an ST170 Focus engine in it. And it's just got loads of brilliant, unique touches, and everywhere you look, it's just in fantastic condition. From the custom roll cage, the Cobra seats, and just how neatly that engine is in there. You can't really see it, but trust me, it's beautifully done. Another great car on the classic Ford stand is this Series 2 Escort RS Turbo. Now it's 35 years since the RS Turbo Series 2 came out in 1986, so what better way to celebrate than this absolutely pristine example. A very late car, absolutely beautiful. And another one of our top cars is this Mk1 Fiesta van. Now we've got a great lineup of Mk1 Fiestas here on the classic Ford stand, but this one is just standing out for me. I love how well it's been prepared. I'm not sure of the colour, but it's like a Campagnolo grey, something like that. Complimented turbo wheels, aluminium bucket seats, it's just fantastic. And for a grand finale, how about not one, but two fantastic classic Fords. A very rare bull-nose Transit, towing a brilliant replica of a Ford Works Rally Escort Mk1. Bubble arched as well. Doesn't get much better than that.
Our friends at Lancaster Insurance are giving away this fantastic 1984 Ford Escort XR3i. It's free and easy to enter. All you got to do is follow the link on screen and fill out the form under the Competitions tab. T's and C's do apply, and good luck.